Here we have the haul out of a 43 Wellcraft Portofino 1990, the Xterra, located up here in Palm Beach County, Florida. Doing the haul out for the survey. Looking at the bottom and the running gear. Already done a lot of the inside stuff, and after now we're going to take it out for a sea trial. Bottom just got pressure washed and cleaned, and it's in fairly good condition. Bottom paint's getting probably towards the end of its life. You can see over here. Ricky Chang, who is the mechanical surveyor with Diesel Max. Gonna get some new zincs on this shaft here and on the rudders. And there we have Bill Slatum, who's doing the survey. It's a one-piece swim platform, so this doesn't come off. See the rudder zinc over here. Overall, not bad. I'm going to see if this pulpit will come off. From the bottom it looks like it might. I'm not exactly sure. I'm going to go up top and check it out. And we don't see where the bow rails would disconnect. Maybe right on the front there. But we're not 100% sure. Overall length was 46.8, and if we can take the pulpit off, it'll be 43.4, I think was the measurement. Overall, here's the boat. Paint looks good, and everything on the bottom side looks okay. Like I said, bottom paint is getting there. You see some ripples in it. They're changing the zincs now as we speak. This is One World Yacht. I'm out. 43 Wellcraft Portofino 1990.